Welcome to SumTime 2. Today we're working with page 18 and the lesson is called Numbers 15. Today we're going to talk about something called distributing. Distributing is a way of making multiplication simpler. To distribute means to share out. Look at all these boxes. If we want to know how many boxes there are, we can do it in two ways. We can count all the boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Or we can say there are 12 rows and there are 8 columns. So, if we want to know how many boxes there are, we multiply the rows by the columns or the columns by the rows. And we get 12 times 8. Well, as you know, 12 times 8, that's 96. So we have 96 boxes. If you want to check, you can count them all, but it takes a long time. Now look at these boxes. Count the rows and count the columns. How many boxes are there in all? Well, there are 8 columns, and in each column there are 5 rows. So 8 times 5 will tell you how many boxes altogether. How many green boxes are there? There are 3 columns and there are 5 rows. How many brown boxes are there? Well, there are 5 columns and there are 5 rows. So we could write green plus brown equals total, or 3 times 5 plus 5 times 5 equals 8 times 5. Or we could work it out. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 5 times 5, 25. So we get 15 plus 25 equals 40. If you want to check, you can count all the boxes, but you'll see we're right. Look at these boxes. We have 3 different colors. How many rows do we have? And how many columns do we have? So if we multiply the columns and the rows, we'll know how many boxes we have altogether. Let's look at the grey boxes on the right. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. And how many rows are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 times 8, that's 24. So there are 24 grey boxes. Now, have you noticed anything about the blue boxes and the red boxes? Exactly. There's the same number. So we have 24 blue boxes, 24 red boxes, and 24 grey boxes. Work it out yourself. How many boxes are there altogether? Let's look at the last picture. We have quite a few different boxes here, but all we have to do is work systematically, counting the rows, counting the columns, multiplying together, and we'll find out how many boxes we have altogether and how many boxes we have of each color. But I'll leave that up to you. Bye for now.